guys! Welcome to the Cheeseburger Show. So for today guys, gagawin natin yung Man vs. Burger Challenge. And gagawin din natin na review itong JASPER'S burger. So without further ado, let's start! So na ba kayo sa ordinary burger? Well, I'll introduce you JASPER'S burger. This is not your ordinary burger, but this is a quality burger at affordable price. So bago ko guys i-reveal sa inyo yung laman, i-check muna natin yung packaging niya. So ito nga guys, ito yung packaging niya na meron resibo and then yung address kung nasaan ako and then yung contact number ko. So ayan. Actually, mainit-init pa yung product guys. Ayan, buksan na natin. Ito siya guys. May price label pa ako. Ayan. Ayan. Init-init pa guys. So ito nga guys yung packaging niya. And ito yung box niya. At ito nga yung naman niya. Ang init pa, guys. So, ayan. So, ito na nga yung double quarter pound cheeseburger na in-order ko, guys. And i-describe ko na rin kung ano yung features ng burger na ito. So, yan. Let's start with the buns. So, yung buns niya is homemade. And, spread siya ng caramelized onions. And then, sa ilalim ay may bacon. Then, andun din yung mga caramelized onions. And then, yung patties na napaka-juicy. And then, yung cheese sa ilalim. And then, pinaka-ilalim ulit is yung lettuce or yung lettuce. And then, sa ilalim, pinaka-ilalim talaga is yung buns ulit. Yung pinaka-cover burger. Yan. So, ito na nga. Kakainin na nga natin yung double quarter pound cheeseburger. So, guys. Ayun nga guys. Nalasahan ko na agad dito yung onion. Bacon and binalasahan din ako lettuce. So yun na ako makapagsalita guys. Ang sarap guys. So ayan, sarap. So ayan guys, naubos ko na nga yung in-order ko double quarter pound cheeseburger and I found it interesting and I was amazed with the taste na provide ni JASPER'S burger sa akin. What amazed me in this burger guys is hindi nilipid sa ingredients ng burger. And talagang worth it yung price niya guys. Kasi simula pa lang nung top ng burger is talagang naglasa na agad yung mga ingredients niya. And talagang yung patties is very juicy. Unlike sa ibang brand ng burgers na talagang nag-dry yung iba and ito talagang juicy yung burger. So if you're interested to avail this quality burger at affordable price, order now at JASPER'S burger. And don't worry guys, i-drop ko yung links na baba and then there you can visit the Facebook page of JASPER'S burger and you can send your orders there as many as you can. So yeah. That will be all for this afternoon and I hope you enjoyed this video for today. videos guys, please do subscribe me at my YouTube channel, Xtian.